100 meters, gates open. They're up and racing. Benissimo draws for your lead. Moving up in between runners is entry number 4, Granil, Heartbreak Kid, Lady Lauren, Pot of Gold, and Spellbinder is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900, Granil by 3/4 of a length lead. Benissimo is in second, another 2 lengths back in third. Moving up by the rail is Pot of Gold. Heartbreak Kid is on the outside fourth. Running now in fifth is Spellbinder, while Lady Lauren now running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 600, 2 runners parting out for the lead. We have Pot of Gold moving up from the outside. Granil drops back in second. Benissimo is by the rail and joining in on the outside. Heartbreak Kid. Then closing in fifth is Spellbinder, and Lady Lauren is still trailing the group as they turn for home. Pot of Gold this time by about 2 lengths. Heartbreak Kid is on the outside second. Granil down in third. Moving up is Spellbinder, Lady Lauren, and Benissimo now in behind them. With the last 100 meters more to run, Pot of Gold by about 3 lengths. And leading the finish line, the icebreaker belongs to Pot of Gold. Heartbreak Kid, then comes Spellbinder, Lady Lauren, Granil, and Benissimo.